and then we have some other sample ones that I've posted before. The key thing with this is that WordPress will grab the first image in the post, and if that image is over 500 pixels wide or over 200 pixels in height, we'll start to, this image here will start to come over into our text and everything will kind of get out of whack. So we want to really make sure that we don't have any images that are over 500 pixels wide. Right here it looks like we're good. Okay. More on the front page. We have three columns here, which are recent from 3 specific categories: recent from arts and culture, recent from sports, and recent from business. And this shows the most recent post in those 3 specific categories. And below there are the recent posts from any category. We have 4 main ones here. Excuse me. We have four main ones that show up big, and then there's 3 here which show up underneath with smaller images. One thing I'll say, for when you're posting an article, if at all possible, to post some kind of image, whether or not it's an image that was shot by the event or at the event, or if it's just an image that kind of corresponds with the article, that correlates with it. It's a nice thing to have for the layout, and also the user experience. It's a lot more elegant and easy on the eyes. As you can see, all these have images, and they show up nice here. And then this one here doesn't have an image, and it's kind of just plain and not so appealing. So if at all possible, try to find some kind of image. It is nice. It's always nicer. Okay. Pages. Pages are defined up here. They are these 4 pages here, and they're static. They're pages with like static text. So there's no posts or anything on these pages. This will stay here as long as we need it to stay here. Right here there's a nice little bio, picture. Let's say I wanted to change this. I would go back into our administrator area and go to pages over here. Drop down this little thing, pages. This brings us to the pages overview, and it looks a lot like the post overview. If I want to change it, I go down here to edit. And this looks a lot like the post editor. Let's say I want to change this here to blue. Let's change this to blue. You can edit this here. For the page attributes, you don't have to worry about it. Everything is already set for the design. So just it's all about content. If you wanted to change any content, then go ahead and click update. If I update this page, we'll see that the headline is now blue. One more thing with posts on the post page. We have, when we hover over the different posts, we have this little quick menu. We can click view, which actually takes us to the website. Trash, it will automatically move to the trash can. Edit will bring us back to that editing page. Then we have quick edit, which pops open this little drop down, and we can quickly change the title. The slug is like a quick name for the website to remember the article by. Usually the default is fine. You can just leave it. If you needed to change the post date, you can, or the author, or the privacy settings. You can also change the categories, like if you wanted to take it off the headlines, you just check that the checkbox. And then if you want to add or remove tags and change the comment settings. Then click update, and I'll update it and close that back up. And that's just a nice way of quickly editing a post with those features. Okay. One last thing is media managing, which pertains to managing all the images that we upload to the server. So to do that, we go to Media, drop this down, and then click Library. And you can see all the images that have been uploaded to the server, and you can delete them if you need to delete them. If you know you deleted an article and you uploaded an image, for space purposes, it's nice if you could delete the images that aren't being used, kind of to save space and to also speed up the loading times of the website. The less files it has to go through, the quicker it is. So you can go to click Edit, and on Edit you can change the title, the alt text, and it also shows the actual URL of the image if you, for whatever reason, you needed to link to the actual destination. Okay, that is it. If you have any questions, you can always email me. My email is vinny@922ideas.com. That's VINNY at 9NINE22, the number's 22, ideas, IDAES.com. And I'm always available to answer any questions you may have. Good luck, and talk to you soon. Thanks.